friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. Today I'm going to convert my storage room into a closet. My goal is to spend as little money as possible, make the most of the tools I have at home and only buy what we will keep after moving to a new house. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. There is not enough storage space in our hallway for outwear and shoes, so they have been scattered all over the place. I decided to renovate this storage room that I used to keep the baby clothes of my eldest daughter to pass on to the youngest one. All the clothes, among other things, are stored in the boxes from diapers. I decided to turn it into a closet for outwear. At the moment it looks messy and disorganized, because we only had enough energy and time to quickly shove everything in here when we first moved to this house 6 months ago. We have just been too busy to take care of it, but today I will finally get down to work, put everything in order and organize it conveniently. I begin with taking everything out to see what I want to keep here and what I need to move to a different place or get rid of entirely. Just so you know, when I say get rid, I don't always mean throwing it away. First, a lot can be sold or donated. Second, a lot can be recycled. When I think of it that way, it always makes it easier to part with the things I no longer need. The main thing is not to postpone and do it immediately, otherwise there is a chance that all that junk won't ever leave the house. After taking everything out of the pantry, the first thing I want to do is to clean all the dust off the floor and pick up the trash. Now I can start planning. This pantry is long and narrow, its length is approximately 13 feet long and its width is 5 feet wide. That's why I decided to use our old floor hanger here from 10 years ago, when we didn't have any furniture for storage. It's been collecting dust all this time, folded in the closet, and finally I found a use for it again. For my shoes I found an inexpensive shoe rack that can hold up to 50 pairs of shoes. This rack turned out to be durable and very stable for its price of just $26, and it will be perfect for storing all my shoes. The only drawback is that it took me about 30 minutes to assemble it. To store children's clothes, I went with these amazing containers with snap lock lids that you can stack on top of each other. At first I bought 4 of them, which of course wasn't enough, so I got 3 more. I like the fact that they are sort of clear, but not too much. What I mean by that is that I can roughly see what's inside of them, but at the same time they are slightly opaque, which makes them look a little neater. Now I'm going to start filling containers with children's clothes. The first box will contain all the jackets, warm pants and headwear. So if I need an outfit for my daughter, I can easily see what exactly and in what sizes I have here. As for the rest of the boxes, I decided to fill them with shoes and clothes by size. I folded the clothes using my favorite vertical method, because not only I will be able to find the right thing faster, but it will also look more presentable than if I just shoved everything in. But the main perk of this method is that it helps fit more clothes, since all the available space will be used rationally and to the maximum. I put the shoes in generic clear trash bags, of course having sorted them by size first. Once the containers are ready, I can move them to the closet. Next I put my floor hanger here. It has 2 tiers. The top tier is where I'll store all my clothes, and if there is any space left, my husband's clothes too. The bottom tier will be for the kids' clothes, so they can reach for their jackets on their own. Identical hangers make any place look more uniform, that's why I'm going to use them here. Plus, I already had them at home. They used to be in my main closet before I bought thinner hangers with non-slip coating. After going through all of our closets, I moved all our outwear here, which we are not using at the moment or use rarely. All the clothes that we frequently wear remain in the hallway. When everything is stored in one place, we have a better idea of what we have and can plan our outfits quicker and more efficiently. And to be honest, it keeps me from buying more stuff, which motivates me to continue to strive for minimalism. It's time to bring a shoe rack here and stock it with the shoes I don't wear often. While doing that, I'm going to get rid of the shoes that have worn out or that I no longer want. I did my best sorting shoes by category. I placed the outdoor running shoes on the bottom, gym shoes a level higher, and the rest I put above and sorted in the way that made sense to me. Since the shelves are narrow here, high-top shoes will reside at the very top. Of course, I had to experiment and sometimes move the shoes from place to place, but I think it turned out nice and now I definitely won't forget what I got in my closet. We have guests around all the time, that's why I have a bunch of slippers ready for them to put on. I decided to keep them in this ottoman with storage that I've already had at home. It stores all slippers in one place and there's also something to sit on. The closet is not the most comfortable place in the house, so to make it a little more welcoming, I put this tall wooden vase with dry grass here for now. Although I'm planning to find something a little more appropriate for it. Can you give me an idea on how to decorate this wall? Preferably something inexpensive. Please share your advice in the comments. This is how my closet looked before, and this is what it looks like after. I'm very happy with the result. Using whatever I had at home and buying only the very minimum, I turned my storage room into an organized closet for outwear. If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!